Welcome to English Shoja. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Adab for Hindu religion person. Welcome to English Shoja with Selim sir. Class 9 English 17 week assignment topic. Bangladesh is one of the densely populated countries in the world, where about 18 crores people live in within 1,47,570 square kilometers. The age range of about 10 crores people is 15 to 64. By upgrading unskilled workforce to skilled workforce, many countries in this world have turned into a developed one. Think how Bangladesh can reach in the level of developed countries by making unskilled people to skilled workforce. Give 5 ideas and explain in not more than 200 words. Class 9 English 17th week assignment answer. নবম শ্রেণীর 17তম সপ্তাহের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের উত্তর। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, তোমরা অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটি কীভাবে লিখবা? অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট অ্যান্সার ক্লাস 9 সাবজেক্ট ইংলিশ অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নং 05। অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট টপিক: Bangladesh can reach in the level of developed countries by making unskilled people to skilled workforce. Introduction: Bangladesh is one of the densely populated countries in the world, where about 18 crores people live in within 1,47,570 square kilometers. The age range of about 10 crores people is 15 to 64. By upgrading unskilled workforce to skilled workforce, many countries in this world have turned into a developed one. Think how Bangladesh can reach in the level of developed countries by making unskilled people to a skilled workforce. Description: as with many other developing countries, it is a channel for Bangladesh to develop the skills of young people. A better skilled workforce should enable Bangladesh to take advantage of our economic opportunities and boost the employment options for the country's growing workforce. Access to skilled training. Technical and vocational education and training (TVET) has expanded rapidly in Bangladesh over the last 15 years. In 2000, only 110,000 people enrolled in formal TVET programs, but enrollment rose to 448,000 by 2010 and to 6,90,000 by 2014 base. Okay. The greater population density in urban areas also means that, on average, workers will be closer to training facilities, making it cheaper and more convenient for them to obtain training. Education of the labor force. The labor force as a whole is somewhat better educated than the general population overall. 26% of the population has received no education, while a further 30% have only some primary education, BBS 2015. For women, the education gap between the general population and the labor force is large because of different patterns in labor force participation. Skills mismatch. A journal, Tawfiq 2014 shows that as many as 62% of young workers may be undereducated for the work they do. The undereducated are concentrated in skilled agriculture and fishery work as well as craft and trade-related work. Returns to education. The returns to education are the extra income that accrues to workers with higher levels of education. It provides valuable information about the supply and demand patterns for skills and education. Returns to education are modest in Bangladesh, likely suggesting a combination of limited demand for current high-skilled jobs and relatively low quality of supply, at least in meeting employers' requirements. Quality of education and skill training. Many interested participants have serious concerns about the basic level of education of their employees. There is substantial evidence that these concerns are not simply the grieving of employers who would always be happy to have better workers. At a grade 8 level, competencies in Bengali, English, and mathematics are 44%. Finally, the education and quality of Bangladesh's workforce needs to improve urgently as huge numbers of young people are entering the job market just as the country is looking to diversity and modernized. Thank you very much, my dear student, for watching this assignment video.